Welcome to this platform where you get a snapshot of the most important aspects of a company in 60 seconds. Today we're featuring an overview of Takeda China. Let's dive in. In a world-first move, China has granted regulatory approval for its first gene therapy targeting hemophilia B. The therapy, 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏, dalnacogene ponparvovec, is developed by local biotech firm Belief BioMed and will be commercialized by Takeda China. 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 is a one-time gene therapy that transfers a functional factor X gene directly into liver cells, which results in sustained production of clotting factor IX and significantly reduces or even eliminates the need for frequent intravenous infusions. In pivotal phase 3 clinical trials, over 80% of patients treated with 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 experienced no bleeding episodes in the year following administration. This durable expression of factor X was accompanied by a favorable safety profile and improved quality of life for patients. Hemophilia B is a rare, inherited bleeding disorder that predominantly affects males. It is caused by a deficiency in the blood clotting factor X. Currently, the standard of care is lifelong intravenous infusions of recombinant factor X. However, this approach faces hurdles in terms of cost, convenience, and adherence. Traditional therapy also carries a risk of developing inhibitors, which can render treatment ineffective. The approval of 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 marks a significant leap forward in addressing these challenges. By providing a one-time gene therapy, 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 offers a potentially curative solution with lasting benefits for individuals living with hemophilia B. In China, the estimated diagnosed population of hemophilia B is between 6,000 and 7,000 individuals. However, the true prevalence is likely higher due to underdiagnosis. This is because many cases, especially mild ones, go undetected or are misdiagnosed. Moreover, the introduction of newborn screening and expanded diagnostic coverage is expected to increase the addressable market. 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 is not only a breakthrough in treatment, but also offers economic advantages compared to the standard of care. On average, each patient with hemophilia B in China receives approximately 32 infusions per year, costing around $32,000. With 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏, a single infusion can replace these multiple annual infusions, bringing substantial cost savings over time. Furthermore, the therapy's approval was supported by data from a clinical trial conducted entirely in China, which strengthens the healthcare system's confidence in its efficacy and safety. Takeda China brings deep commercial expertise, regulatory strength, and rare disease infrastructure to the rollout of 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏. The company's established presence in hematology, including previous work on factor VIII and X therapies, enables rapid scaling, physician engagement, and reimbursement access. Three key competitors, 𝗬𝗛𝗒, Pfizer, and Sangamo and 𝗓𝗏, each have gene therapies in development. However, they face challenges in terms of cost, local partnerships, and clinical data maturity. To ensure commercial success and sustainable patient access, a tiered pricing approach, value-based agreements, real-world evidence and early access programs, targeted genomic screening, and a proactive health economics and outcomes modeling are recommended. In conclusion, with its first-mover advantage, unique value proposition, minimal local competition, and strong infrastructure support, Takeda China is well-positioned to establish 𝗵𝗡𝗟𝗏 as the dominant gene therapy for hemophilia B in China within the next 3 to 5 years.